It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's episode, 3 quick keto meals to take to work. When you're trying to get yourself to change into a keto diet or lifestyle, the first rule I like is keep it simple, especially at work where there's a lot of stress. Simplicity of meals will make it mentally easier on you. Obviously, it will create less work and stress around creating the meals if they're simple. A vegetable, a fat, and a meat is the simplest of all. Make sure you always check ingredients in lunch meats and any kind of processed cheese. Many of these have lots of ingredients and can hide sugars and other keto no-nos. The more flavor it has, the more likely it will be a problem. Honey-baked ham might taste great, but that's because of all the sugar and carbs in it. First meal, cheeseburger with lettuce wraps. First, make a hamburger patty, then get some lettuce and a cheese slice and a tomato. The next part depends on how much time you have at work. If you have an available microwave at work, then leave the meat separate from the rest. Melt the cheese on the burger patty, put on the veggies, some salt, then wrap the lettuce leaves around the burger. The lettuce takes the place of the bun and gives a lot of satisfying crunchiness. Number 2 dish. Chicken enchilada bowl. This can be prepped ahead and frozen. Cook the chicken in a Dutch oven with coconut oil, enchilada sauce, some onion. Add a few green chilies if you want to spice it up. Cook until the chicken is tender and fully cooked through. Take the chicken out and chop or shred it. Put it back into the pot and simmer 10 more minutes to absorb the flavors. Serve in a bowl with avocado, cheese, jalapeno, sour cream, and tomato. This can all be heated up in the microwave at work. Number 3 dish, Cobb egg salad. Simply put all these ingredients in a bowl, side by side, then mix on your fork. Chopped hard-boiled eggs, bacon pieces, diced grape tomatoes, shredded cheddar cheese, crumbled blue cheese, and a big glop of mayo in the middle. You can add dry ranch dressing mix as a sprinkle. That's it. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.